Hey guys, I just want to say something right before the video starts. Now, all the upgrades I'm going to be mentioning in this video will increase the overall durability of your Traxxas model. Now, I've never really broken anything on my Slash or my Rustler, but if you guys just want to go ahead and make it super beefy so it can take almost anything you throw at it, all the upgrades that I'm going to be mentioning in this video will be able to do that. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, we'll be looking at what to upgrade if you guys have a Traxxas slash two-wheel drive, and I'm pretty sure the it'll be similar upgrades if you also have a four-wheel drive. So just note, this is going to be just straight my opinion. If you guys have anything to add to the video or any other upgrades you think might be beneficial or necessary for your Traxxas slash, drop it in the comments below. It'll help out a lot. And shout out to my subscriber who actually recommend this video. You know yourself. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the idea. And let's jump straight into the video. So most of you who probably, if you saw my Traxxas slash before, and it's not the first time seeing it, you guys will know that this Traxxas slash was not bought assembled. Everything was put together. I went ahead and got the I bought the roller, as you guys can see there. Then I went ahead and bought the body that you saw first. And, you know, I went with the Castle Sidewinder SV3 4600 kV waterproof system. I also went ahead and grabbed a fan for that system. So definitely, if you guys are thinking about getting this particular system, you want to go ahead and also invest in the fan. It'll help keep the ESC cool. And of course, I went with the just bring it up so you guys can see. I went with a 2075 Traxxas servo. I've been using that before in my Traxxas Rustler, and it seemed to work pretty good. So, you know, why change if that one works really, really well? So let's jump into all the upgrades I think you might want to do for your Traxxas slash. Now, quite frankly, I haven't broken anything on mine, but there is some upgrades that I do have. And as I go along the list, I'll show you guys what I have done and what I haven't done yet. So let me go ahead and pull up the list right here. And let's start off with, I think everybody will agree with me, the #1 upgrade you guys want to go ahead and do for your Traxxas slash is shock caps. So shock caps for your for any entry-level Traxxas model, whether it be the Slash, the Rustler, the Stampede, just any one of that, they do come with the Ultra Shocks right here, as you guys can see. And the Ultra Shocks have plastic shock caps, and if you're gonna go bashing out there, possibly doing jumps and all, those plastic shock caps will pop off. So you want to go ahead and just invest in the caps. Now, you can purchase those caps on their own in, I believe, blue, anodized blue, or an anodized red, or you can go ahead and actually just buy the whole what do you call it again, the big bore shocks, which Traxxas does sell as a complete upgrade. It does come in a set of 4, and it already has the aluminum shock caps on them, as well as the shaft is also better than the shaft on the shock. So definitely you guys want to go ahead and do that. So that's the first upgrade I recommend. Upgrade #2 is the adjustable turnbuckles. Now, if you guys have the brush versions of the Rustler, Slash, or Stampede, they will come with plastic turnbuckles and camber links, and those plastic ones right here, those plastic ones are not adjustable, and you know, sometimes they kind of offset the car as you bash and continuously bash. The plastic tend to warp, and it doesn't maintain that original setting, or original setup from when you unbox it the first time. So you definitely want to go ahead and invest in that. They're adjustable, so you can tune it to set it to how you see fit. And I think they're a bit stronger than the plastic one. So that's upgrade #2. Upgrade #3 is the Stub Axle, which is at the rear. This one right here. Now on my Traxxas Rustler, I actually went ahead and upgraded that to the anodized blue one from Traxxas themselves. And so far it's been working pretty good. Now I only upgrade those parts if I do break them, but you guys, if you're going for look and style, maybe a color teamed, you can go ahead and upgrade those to either the aluminum anodized one, or if you want to stick with plastic but a bit stronger than the original plastic, RPM is the way to go for that. And just like the back, you also want to do the caster blocks and steering knuckles, which are located on the front. So right here is the caster blocks, and which the place that the wheel spins on is the steering knuckle. So you can go ahead and upgrade those to either aluminum or the RPM plastic. A popular combo would be to upgrade the caster blocks to aluminum, and then you want to do the steering knuckles RPM. That seems to be working for a lot of people out there, so you know that one should work for you as well. Now upgrade number 5. Actually, before we go on to number 5, you might want to also, only if you have the brush version, you might want to switch out those bushings to bearings, especially right there. So free the spins, there's bearings in there. So the brush versions do come with bushings. I don't know if Traxxas actually upgraded that, but if you still have bushings, go ahead and upgrade those to ball bearings. It's a big difference, and it just runs a lot better. And number 5, which is one I'm probably going to do next to my Traxxas, the Lcg Conversion Kit. So this, if you guys have not already have the low conversion kit, the Traxxas brush version and brushless version, the entry ones, they come with this standard Traxxas / chassis right here, which is kind of high raise. Now if this works for you, by all means do not change it, but if you want to get a little bit of drop, you want to upgrade it to that conversion kit. A lot of people already have done that. I don't know if I'm gonna do it 100% yet, but it's something I'm definitely considering to do. So Lcg chassis, it does come in blue for your blue team, and of course black if you guys want to keep it all black. So that's upgrade number 5. Upgrade number 6, I actually mentioned that the ball bearings. And last but not least, in my opinion, upgrade number 7 will be, now this is optional, you don't really have to do this, but I did it, the aluminum hex sub, the 1/5 adapter, because I kind of like the buggy wheels for the 1/5 scale cars, and they work well for the Traxxas Slash. So if you guys don't want to stick to 1/10, maybe you want to see more options, go ahead and invest in those hex adapters, and then you can also upgrade better tires, in my opinion, on the 1/5 scale side. 1/10 scale do have some great tires, but me personally, I just like the way the buggy tires look, so I went ahead and grabbed that. And yeah, oh, and if you guys probably wondering what these are, if you don't already know what they are, this is what do you call them, shock covers. They go color team. I went with it to match the green, the overall green theme of my Slash, and there's a bunch of colors out there, guys, like a lot of colors out there, so you want to go ahead and do that as well. Another upgrade that I also did for this was I went ahead and got a receiver combo, because this was built from scratch. It did not come with the Traxxas combo, so I went ahead and invested in this right here, just the FlySky FS GT3C. It has a rechargeable battery in there, so I don't have to constantly be buying AA's and AAA's. I mean AA batteries. So this is definitely, I would say this is a must, because it's a very inexpensive receiver. The range is phenomenal. It's phenomenal on it, and you can add up to 10 models. You just need to buy additional receivers to add to the transmitter or the controller. So, and last but not least, definitely batteries. You guys want to go ahead and get some LiPo batteries if you're going to run brushless. Even if you have brushed, to increase your runtime, 2S LiPos, brushless, 3S LiPos. If you're going crazy and want to put a 1/8 scale in there, by all means, go ahead. But definitely get some great batteries. I will put in the description below a link to the video of the batteries that I have for my cars overall. Maybe you guys want to look into getting some new batteries. Yeah, so I think that's everything I think you probably need for the car. Now, unless you're going for a total just outright look of the car, then you might want to just aluminum everything. I'll go crazy with it. Other than that though, those are some basic upgrades I think is necessary for the Traxxas Slash, or maybe you just want to throw some upgrades on there. Those will work well. And yeah, like I said earlier, if you guys have any other upgrades you want to share with everyone, drop it in the comments below. It'll help out everybody. And as always, thanks for watching guys, and we'll see you in the next video.